Which continent is the second largest by area? Africa. Which ocean is mostly located in the southern hemisphere? Indian Ocean. Which famous canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans? Panama Canal. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which country is the largest by land area? Russia. What imaginary line divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres? Equator. What term describes a large area of flat, low-lying land? Plain. What is the highest point of elevation on a map called? Peak. What major city is located at the confluence of the Mississippi and Missouri rivers? St. Louis. Which city is famous for its iconic opera house and harbor bridge? Sydney. Which natural landmark forms a large canyon in Arizona, USA? Grand Canyon. What is the capital city of Brazil? Brasilia. What is a narrow strip of land connecting two larger land masses called? Isthmus. What is the general name for a large, deep inlet of the sea nearly surrounded by land? Gulf. Which large lake is located on the border of Canada and the United States? Lake Superior. What is a flat-topped hill or mountain common in the American Southwest called? Mesa. What imaginary line runs through Greenwich, England, and is used for time zones? Prime Meridian. Which European city is famous for its extensive network of canals? Venice. Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides, often carved by a river called? Canyon. Which famous city sits at the foot of Table Mountain? Cape Town. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. Which country is known for its fjords, long, deep inlets? Norway. What is the major climate type near the equator? Tropical. What is a vast, treeless plain in the Arctic regions called? Tundra. What is the capital city of China? Beijing. What is the name of the ocean located between Europe and North America? Atlantic Ocean. Which major river flows mainly through Germany and Austria? Danube River. What is the term for the height of land above sea level? Elevation. What is a small river that flows into a larger one called? Tributary. What is the general term for a group or chain of islands? Archipelago. Which sea is located between Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. Which desert covers most of North Africa? Sahara. Which city is split into two parts by the Bosphorus Strait, connecting two continents? Istanbul. What is the capital city of Russia? Moscow. Which continent is known for the Amazon rainforest? South America. Which mountain range runs along the west coast of South America? Andes Mountains. Which country shares the longest land border with the United States? Canada. Which major world city is sinking due to excessive groundwater pumping? Jakarta. What is the capital city of France? Paris. What is the capital city of Mexico? Mexico City. Which country is an archipelago located east of China? Japan. Which continent is also a single country? Australia. What type of map shows borders and capitals of countries? Political map. Which major river flows through Paris? Seine River. What is the capital city of Germany? Berlin. Which country is a long, thin nation on the west edge of South America? Chile. What is the study of Earth's physical features and atmosphere called? Physical geography. Which line of latitude is at 23.5 degrees north? Tropic of Cancer.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.